The deadly storm that first hit Louisiana as a Category 4 hurricane is linked to more than 60 deaths and damages up to $95 billion. Now, New Jersey's Democratic leaders are calling on Congress to pass a pending infrastructure bill that would provide funds to help communities become more resilient to disasters and severe weather. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy.
These storms are now more frequent. They're more intense. We desperately need that climate resiliency infrastructure. But we're the most densely populated state in the nation, with a location second to none, but very exposed to the impacts of climate change.